Very good. Okay, and second one, grandmother.
9.
Grandmother again. Sorry, I couldn't hear.
It's 9.
9. Very good. Very good. Okay. Then who will say? चलो वरुण जी आप बताएंगे क्या लिखा है? Paternal uncle son.
Paternal uncle's son is Pittur boy.
Okay. And
paternal uncle's daughter Pittur Beni.
Pittur Beni. Okay. Mukta ji.
Yes, sir.
Maternal
uncle's son is Mamtur boy. Maternal uncle's daughter is Mamtar Bieni.
Beni. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Let's go over again those who could not get the chance. शलमाली जी आज आपको हमने पूछा नहीं कुछ. Paternal uncle.
Namaste. Paternal uncle Pettur.
Petter. Okay. And paternal aunt?
Paternal aunt Pechen.
Pechen. Thank you. Prajakta ji?
Maternal uncle is mom. Maternal aunt is mamin.
Mamin. Shravan, next one.
Grandfather Woody Bob. Grandmother 9.
Woody Bob. Woody Bob. Woody Bob. Here is very light there, very slight sound of wood. It is actually more of the and very less of year. So the Woody Bob. Okay.
Woody Bob.
Okay. Shivangi ji, paternal uncle's son.
Pittur boy. And paternal uncle's daughter is Pittur Beni.
Very good. Evelyn?
Mamdur boy.
Mamtur boy, yes. Next?
Mamdur Benya.
Beni. Very good. Excellent. So we have gone over this twice. So let us go to the next one. Division of small sentences. Let us give first chance now to Evelyn. Evelyn, बोलिए वापस. Who are you?
Sukuschuk.
Sukuschuk. Sukuschuk. या अगर कोई एल्डरली होगा तो उसको उससे नहीं बोल सकते, तो ही कम छिव. क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, हमने ये आपको सिखाया नहीं, मैं जस्ट मैं आपको वापस करता हूँ. सुकुशुक. सुकुशुक is who are you, that is of the same age या उससे छोटा हो, आपसे अपने एज का हो या अपने से छोटा हो. सुकुशुक. अगर हमसे बड़ा हो कोई तो ही कम छिव. तो ही कम छिव. So when we tell some elderly person, okay. Okay, now Shivangi ji, tell me, show your tongue.
Panin Zev have.
Very good. Again, of the same age or junior to us. Panin Zev have. Panin Zev have you Mahara. Show me your tongue. Panin Zev. Agar show your tongue means toy have you Zev. Toy have you Zev. Sahav Zev. Toy have you Zev. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Shravan, read this book.
Kitab par.
Kitab par. Yeah, if he is elder to us, किताब पढ़ियो.
किताब पढ़ी.
या बहुत ही बड़ा आदमी हो हमसे, बहुत ही पठित आदमी हो, किताब पढ़ियो महारा. किताब पढ़ियो
मारा.
किताब
सर क्या मत्सल से?
यस यस, एक मिनट बेटा बोलो बेटा. ये टुडे इज संडे.
आज आतवार.
आज आतवार. वेरी गुड. मुक्ता जी ये बताइए. इट इज रेनिंग.
It is raining is Rud Chupyavan.
Rud Chupyavan. It is Rud Chupyavan. Okay.
Rud Chupyavan.
Okay, Varun. It is snowing.
Sheen Shupavan. Pyavan.
It is snowing. Sheen Chupyavan. Yes.
Sheen Shupavan. Pyavan.
Shalmali ji.
Is food ready?
Food ready.
Battu cha tayyar.
Very good. Excellent actually. Excellent Shalmali ji. तो तयार ना 2%. Patgav tayar. Shamnus bage. Okay, Prajakta ji. Prajakta.
Papa has come. Papa chu Amut. Mol chu Amut.
Kitchen is or even more. Telagarate that is a father. Father's translation is more. That is correct. Papa is by name Papa. Okay. Papa
Okay.
Sham. So next, Shubhangi. Get well soon.
Sir, I don't know. Sorry.
Okay. Anybody? Rajul Kak? Let me.
No, I cannot do it.
You cannot do it. Okay. Shravan, anybody can do it? Let me see. Yeah, go ahead, Shravan.
Jalgastik.
Jalgastik. Yes. Soon means Jalgastik. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So, get well soon. Jalgastik. Okay. Good. So, I think we didn't ask, have we missed anybody? Yes, we have missed. We have missed the young generation, the youngest one. Okay, then we go again once more through the whole list. Sandeep ji, thank you so much. I hope it is okay with you. Okay. Adya, who are you?
Chakka.
Sukuschuk. Yes.
Chakka.
Sukuschuk. Again.
Chuk.
Chakka.
Once again. Again, let us do one by one. Means you. Kus. Chuk. Okay, good. Okay, good. Chalo, good, nice try. You can try this again with Papa after the class, okay?
Okay.
As I said earlier, now this type of language we use with somebody who is of our age or younger than us. If he is slightly elder than us or much elder than us, we say toikum chiv, yeah, even better, toikum chiv mahara. Okay?
Okay.
Show your. एक मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट, I will come there. Viha, next one. Show your tongue. Panin Zavha, yeah.
Hoi.
No. Show your tongue. Panin Zavha. Panin Zav Haviu Mahara. Yeah, Panin Zav Haviu is again slightly better, and the best is Panin Zav Haviu Mahara. Panin, you repeat after me. I want you to repeat this. Panin Zav Haviu Mahara. Okay, good. Rajul.
Yes, sir.
Read this book.
ये किताब पर.
Kitab par. Again, to somebody elder to us, ये किताब पढ़ियो, ये किताब पढ़ियो, क्या और ये किताब पढ़ियो महारा, ठीक है?
ये किताब पढ़ी महारा.
Okay, good. चलो, Shalmali ji.
Yes, sir.
Today is
Sunday. Azchi Athwar.
मगर आज कुछ दो आज असली कुछ दो आज छे
बुधवार.
Azchi Vattuvar.
Very good. Excellent. Thank you. Evelyn, it is raining.
Road chip Pavan.
Rood Chupyavan. Rood Chupyavan. Prajakta. Next.
It is snowing. Sheen Chupyavan.
Sandeep. Is food ready? Is food ready? Sandeep? Oh, sorry. Okay. Sandeep ji chhodiye. Sorry. कोई बात नहीं. Vatsal. Vatsal. Is food ready? Vatsal. Chukna mami vanan shamnas. Vatsal. Is food ready? Kashir pat kya chos vanan? वत्सल आप बोलिए, आप सुन रहे हैं?
बच्चू तैयार.
ना बच्चू तैयार गो. Food is ready. Is food ready is बच्चा तैयार.
बच्चा तैयार.
हाँ, that's right. Papa has come.
सर दिव्यांशी.
Okay, दिव्यांशी आप बोलिए.
पापा छू हामुद.
Very good. Deepika. Next one. Deepika ji.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
that was soon. Jal got thick.
Very good. Okay, thank you. So we have gone over this, the revision part. Now we can do one thing. We can go for the new, we can learn some new words. First, relations 3. Okay? Everybody keep your attention now on what I'm saying, how I'm pronouncing.
Sir.
Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law, gay hush. So I would request each one of you, first keep yourself muted, but मेरे साथ में मेरे बोलने के बाद आप उसको वापस बोल दीजिए. Mother-in-law, hush.
Hush, hush.
Very good. Daughter-in-law, nosh.
Nosh.
Nosh, nosh.
Father-in-law, huhur.
Hair babu.
अभी huhur वो चुना.
Hair
That was
babu.
also hair bab ती चुना, but असली चुना huhur. ठीक है, huhur.
Hair.
Sister's husband, Bem.
Bem.
Bem. Everybody, Bem. Bem. Adya, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Nor can I hear Viha. Viha, your voice I cannot hear. Sister's husband.
Bem.
Bem. Very good. Very good. Brother's wife. Boy Kakain. Boy Kakain.
Boy Kakain.
Kalmali ji. Boy Kakain.
Boy Kakin.
Kakain. Mother's sister. Mas. Mas. Mother's sister's husband. Masu. Mother's sister's husband again. Masu. Father's sister.
Pof.
Pof. Pof नहीं. Pof. जैसे ये लिखा ना व छोटा सा है. So व is very low. Though it is the conjunct of p and v. Pof. Father's sister's husband. Paffu. Father's sister's husband. Paffu. Great grandfather. Bada Budbab. Great grandmother. Bada Nai. Great grandmother. Bada Nai. Okay, now one by one I will ask somebody and please repeat after. If you can speak, fine. Otherwise, I will ask you again. Prajakta, mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law, hush.
Very good. Rajul, daughter-in-law.
Nosh.
Father-in-law, Evelyn. आप किसमें देवनागरी में पढ़ते हैं? हाँ पढ़ो, ये क्या लिखा? हाँ ह य उ ह उ र, हाँ बोलो। क्यों? एक्चुअली ह आधा ही है इसमें, ह आधा है, तो ह जैसे यहाँ पर कंबाइन बना हुआ है, ऐसे यहाँ पर इसमें एक हलंत लगा हुआ ह को, स ह्यूहुर, ह्यूहुर। अगेन मेरे साथ में बोलिए वापस बेटा, ह्यूहुर। एवलिन, ह्यूहुर। ओके, जो आज खाना नहीं खाया, बात नहीं क्यों मुझे? अच्छा आवाज वारिया लॉट लाइट बना, अच्छा बना नहीं, जोर जोर बन। ह्यूहुर। Very good. Sister's husband, Divyanshi.
Bem.
Game. Okay. Now, Vatsal.
Yes, sir.
Brother's wife.
Kaken.
Very good. Very good. Deepika ji. Mother's sister.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mas.
Mas. Very good. Varun. Mother's sister's husband.
Masuf.
Masuf. Very good. Then I will go. Just 1 minute. Let me see who is left out. Yes. Okay. Masuf, we had father's sister, Apurva ji.
Off.
Pof. Pof. Again. Very good. Viha, father, sister's husband.
Poffer.
Poffu. Poffu.
Poffer.
Very good. Very good. Adya, great grandmother.
Bab.
Very good. Excellent. This time it was absolutely dot. Shubhangi ji, great grandmother.
Burden 9.
Bird 9.
Burden 9.
Bird 9. Okay. Okay, we have gone over this. I think that should be enough. So what you need to do, what is your home assignment? Please, of course, I'll again post this. But you remember, write all above relations in English plus meaning. Meaning either in Devanagari or in Roman, whatever is convenient to you. और उसको read loudly and send audio and photos of the pages to Kusum Varikuji. लास्ट टाइम लास्ट क्लास के बहुत कम लोगों ने अपना होमवर्क भेजा था। कुसुम जी ने मेरे को बोला आपने कुछ ठीक तरीके से पढ़ाया नहीं, इसलिए कोई होमवर्क नहीं आया। तो अभी मैंने अच्छा नहीं पढ़ाया, अभी आज मेरे को पता चलेगा मैंने अच्छा पढ़ाया है कि नहीं पढ़ाया। तो होमवर्क करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे सब बच्चे? ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस, स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस, small sentences. Are you going to Delhi? Seçuyor az dili gatsun. Again, so remember everybody now. This here. These are very important sentences and you should remember this. Are you going to Delhi today? Seçuyor dili gatsun. Seçuyor dili gatsun. Again, go ahead. Say. Are you going to Delhi? Seçuyor dili gatsun. Repeat after me.
Seçuyoruz dili gatsun.
Az dili gatsun. Seçuyor az dili gatsun. Okay? Yes, I am going to Delhi today. Mechu az dili gatsun. Shivani ji. Mechu az dili gatsun.
Mechu az dili kasun.
Very good, very good. No, I am not going to Delhi today. Viha. Na, mechun az dili gatsun. Repeat after me.
Mechu lunas dili gatsun.
Na, mechu n means no. N az dili gatsun. Az means today. Dili means Delhi. Gatsun means to go. Okay. No. Na mechun. I me chuna az dili gatsun. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Has Vishnuji come to your home? Vishnuji cha chon gar amut. Varun, can you repeat after me? Vishnuji cha chon gar amut.
Vishnuji cha chon gar amut.
Are you reading in Devanagari or in Roman?
Devanagari.
Very good. Okay. Yes, Vishnuji has come to my home. Vishnuji chu myon gar amut. Divyanshi. Vishnuji chu myon gar amut.
Ha Vishnuji Chumyon Karamut.
Very good. Very good. No, Vishnuji has not come to my home. Na, Vishnuji chu n myon gar amut. Vatsal, मैं पथ वंश थे न विष्णु जी चुन म्योन gar आमुत बोलो
Na Vishnu Ji Chu Na Myon Gar Amut.
gar आमुत gar हाँ शाबाश
Gar Amut.
very good very good Evelyn is it hot outside today आज छा नेबर किन गरम आज छा नेबर किन गरम again go ahead is it hot outside today
आज नेबर किन गरम
आज छा नेबर किन गरम
गरम.
Very good. You are saying very nicely. Good. Yes, it is hot outside today. Az chu neber kin garam. Mukta ji. Yes, it is hot outside today. Az chu neber kin garam. हाँ बोलिए.
Az chu neber kin garam.
Very good. Rajul. No, it is not hot outside today. Na az chun neber kin garam. Na az chun neber kin garam.
Na az chuna neber kin garam.
Very good, very good. Okay. Has Suruchi gone to office? Has Suruchi gone to office? Suruchi cha daftar gamut. Suruchi cha daftar gamut. Apurva ji. Suruchi cha daftar gamut.
Suruchi cha daftar gamut.
Very good. Yes, Suruchi has gone to office. Viha. Suruchi cha daftar gamut.
So Suchi Chat the Gamut.
Suruchi chi daftar gamut. Again.
Suchi Chat the Gamut.
Gamut. Very good. No, Suruchi has not gone to office. Na Suruchi cha n daftar gamut. Na Suruchi cha n daftar gamut. Adya.
Na Suruchi cha n daftar gamut.
So this is very nice. But you should remember because you read in Roman. So TS means sir. TS means sir. So very nicely you have spoken it. So gamut. It is this is a double dot on top. It is something like merge, whatever pronunciation we do. It is gamut. It is gamut.
Gamut.
Okay, very good, nice. Is Niyati going to picnic tomorrow? Is Niyati going to picnic tomorrow? Niyati cha paga chakras gatsun? Rajul. Niyati cha paga
chakras gatsun.
Very good, very good. Yes, Niyati will go for picnic tomorrow.
Sir Divyanshi.
हाँ बेटा एक Niyati chu paga chakras gatsun.
Niyati chu paga chakras gatsun.
Gatsun, very good. It is छ के नीचे में dot है, इसलिए it is छ. Gatsun. Same way for those who read in Roman, TSH is छ. TSH is छ आवाज. So gatsun. Gatsun, okay? No, Niyati will not go for picnic tomorrow. Na Niyati chun paga chakras gatsun. Shubhangi ji. Na Niyati chun paga chakras gatsun.
Na niyati chuna paga chakras katsun.
Very good. Is it raining outside? Nebirkincha Rud Pyavan. Varun?
Neberkinsha Ruth Pevan.
Yes, it is raining outside. Ah, Nebirkinchu Rud Pyavan. Evelyn. Ah, Nebirkinchu Rud Pyavan. Evelyn बोलिए. बोलो बेटा. I think we have lost her. Upurva ji, आप बताइए. Ah, Nebirkinchu Rud Pyavan.
Neberkinch Ruth Pevan.
Very good. Rajul, no, it is not raining outside. Na Nebirkinchun Rud Pyavan. Na Nebirkinchun Rud Pyavan.
Sir, I'll repeat again. No, Neberkinshan Ruth Pevan.
Chun. This is not एक साथ में, it is not together. Chun नहीं है. Chun. Rud Pyavan.
No, Neberkinshu na Ruth Pevan.
Very good, excellent. Evelyn, is it Sunil ji's birthday today? Acha Sunil ji's vorvod. Evelyn, I am not able to hear you better.
Acha Sunil ji's vorvod.
Very good, very good. Acha Sunil ji's vorvod. Mukta ji, yes, it is Sunil ji's birthday today. Achu Sunil ji's vorvod. Vorvod.
Azchu Sunil ji's vorvod.
No, it is not Sunil ji's birthday today. Na Azchun Sunil ji's vorvod. Apurva ji. Na Azchun Sunil ji's vorvod.
Na Azchun Sunil ji's vorvod.
Now this is ये आपको सबको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. हम इसी sentences में कुछ नए words add करें. जैसे birthday को vorvod बोलते हैं. So what you need to do is that remember all these words. So नए words आते हैं, उनको कैसे बोलते हैं, उनका pronunciation कैसे है, वो आपको साथ में याद करना है. Send message to Ruchira ji, Shivhangi ji. Ruchira ji sows shish.
Ruchira ji sows shish.
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 Shish is message. Again, another word addition to our vocabulary. Shish. Okay. Okay. Just give me one more. Let me थोड़ा सा इसको मैं आपका view थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देता हूँ so that I can see more people together. Okay. Now I can see a little better. Don't send message to Ruchira ji. Ruchira ji sows shit. Shravan. Ruchira ji sows shit.
Ruchira ji sows shit.
Yes, very good. She will come herself. Soyi panai. Prajakta ji.
She will come herself. So ye pane.
Soyi panai. Very good. So home assignment is select any 5 groups. जो ऊपर में 5 group दिए हैं. Any 5 out of them you can choose. Write down on notebook. Read loudly and send audio and photo of pages to Kusum Mariko ji. ठीक है? This time I hope everybody will do his homework, her homework and send it. Okay? And there is one homework for all of you, which I would like to hear from each one of you. जब next time हमारी class होगी, आप सब एक करके अकेले बोलेंगे ये. Okay? तो उसके लिए एक तरीका और है. जैसे आपका होमवर्क है, आप सब रिकॉर्ड कर ही रहे हो, आप अपनी आवाज में एक बार you please record this rhyme in your voice and go over it once and twice so that you can understand these letters properly.
सर हमारे 3 होमवर्क है।
ना बेटा, ये होमवर्क नहीं है, 2 ही होमवर्क है। ये आपको अगली बार बताना है मेरे को इस क्लास में, ठीक है? ये लिखना नहीं है कहीं पर, ये आपको अपने लिए याद करना। let us learn this rhyme. कोतुई गयक गिलिये, कोतुई गयक गिलिये, कोतुई गच्छक गिलिये, सॉरी, कोतुई गच्छक गिलिये। अगेन छ के नीचे डॉट है, छ के नीचे, तो छ कोतुई गच्छक गिलिये। एंड फॉर दोज हु आर रीडिंग इन Roman, कोतुई गच्छक, TSH is छ and KH is ख। कोतुई गच्छक गिलिये, बेरी बेरी खा, बेरी बेरी खा, केहे करने के लिए, केहे करने के लिए, ठूलन दिनिफा, ठूलन दिनिफा, कच्ची छिए के लिए, कच्ची छिए के लिए, अख्त पंचा, अख्त पंचा, अखाजते के लिए, अखाजते के लिए, हराम हबी का, हराम हबी का। So okay, let's go once together over this again. So I will read once and then you will repeat after me. Kotui gatsa giliye,
कोतुई गच्छक गिलिये,
beri beri kha,
बेरी खा,
kehe karni giliye,
केहे करने के लिए,
thulan dinifa,
दिनिफा,
katsi chiye giliye,
कच्ची छिए,
akht pancha,
पंचा,
akha dite giliye,
खा के लिए,
haram habi ka।
हराम हबी का।
तो हमारा लेसन अभी खत्म हो गया है। अगली बार मैं इसका थोड़ा मीनिंग भी आपको बताऊंगा, अभी आप याद कर लीजिए, थोड़ा नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल टेल यू। ओके, सो देन आई स्टॉप शेयरिंग दिस, देन वी कैन गेट बैक टू आस्किंग अ लिटिल मोर few questions. Okay,
Don't start yawning over here.
अच्छा, आज कैन somebody tell me? Okay, let me start with Apurva. Which particular word did you learn today which you had not learned earlier in this
Shesh.
class? Huh? Shesh means message. Message. Yes, very good.
सर mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law. अच्छा, तिची mother-in-law विंकी पाठाई पे यार. चुकुस का mother-in-law, चकुशी mother-in-law. चची ने कहा वही mother-in-law. चची ना वही locker. Mother-in-law गए. हाश, क्या गए? हाश, क्या बना? हाश। तुम्हारी जो ग्रैंडमदर है, दादी है, नाइन है, नाइन, वो आपकी मम्मी की हश है। क्या है? आपकी मम्मी की हश कौन है? आपकी मम्मी की हश आपकी ग्रैंडमदर है, ठीक है? सो दे आर रिलेटेड लाइक दैट। ओके, सो व्हाट अबाउट विहा? व्हिच अदर वर्ड डिड यू लर्न, विहा? So what you should do, you should while you are
Mamtur boy.
Mamtur boy. अच्छा, Vatsalan here Mamtur boy. Okay, Mamtur boy go. मम्मी हिंदुस boy सुन नेचो, मम्मी के भाई का बेटा, Mamtur boy. Adya, which word did you learn in this class?
Which means birthday.
Vorvod means birthday. Very good, very good. शिवांगी जी, आपने कौन सा वर्ड नया सीखा?
puff.
Puff. Very good. Puff means father's sister. Okay. मुक्ता जी, आपने कौन सा नया वर्ड सीखा?
मैंने मासू, ये नया वर्ड।
मासू, हाँ, मदर के सिस्टर का हस्बैंड, मदर की सिस्टर का हस्बैंड, मासू। वरुण, आपने कुछ नया सीखा आज? कोई नया वर्ड वोकैबुलरी में?
हाँ, बेसिकली कोई भी जो रिलेशन था सब
अच्छा,
नए थे, क्योंकि हम लोग तो हिंदी में जैसे मासी या मौसा बोलते हैं।
अच्छा,
तो कोई भी सब नए थे।
Good, good. Okay, Shravan, which words did you learn today first time?
Mass.
Maas. Okay, your mother's sister. Who is your Maas? What is her name?
Seema.
Very good. Now you should tell her today. Give her a call. So check my Maas. What will you tell her?
Not Kashmiri.
She is not Kashmiri. Oh, you better teach her. First learn yourself and teach her also. Okay? Okay, good. Who knows Kashmiri in your family whom you can talk to? Apart from Papa?
Grandfather, grandmother.
Ah,
My 3 sisters, my uncle, and my mom.
very good. Then you can talk whatever new words you learned today. You will tell your grandfather. Kashir Vanan Tahi Budibab. My grandfather Shivanan Budibab. तो इस तरीके से you can talk to them. Okay? Evelyn, आपने क्या सीखा नया बेटा? आपकी आवाज नहीं आती. आपने खाना नहीं खाया तो आपका माइक बहुत दूर है. Message. Very good. Vatsalan क्या है? Which is no चीज.
Mom turboy.
नाम तो वो अच्छा. प्राजक्ता जी आपने क्या सीखा नया वर्ड?
Sir, using that never kin, using kin with never.
Never kin. Churud pevan. हाँ जो भी है. या tur never kin is tur. Never kin chal tur. Yeah, never kin chal tur.
Why do we use neighbor?
Never means outside. Outside means never.
Okay. And what does mean kin?
Kin.
Out and side. These are outside. Be in the outside. So it's very difficult to exactly translate into Hindi or English. But this is when we say never kin means it is outside. It is outside. Outside. Okay. It is outside. Never kin is that. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And Rajul जी आपने क्या सीखा नया?
सर मैसेज का ही चेच और ब्रदर इन लॉ को बेमा.
Okay, very good. Okay, शलमाली जी आपने कुछ सीखा नया कि आपको सब पता था आज तक? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही शलमाली जी बराबर.
हेलो.
हाँ आपकी आवाज बराबर कट रही है एक्चुअली.
Great grandfather.
Okay. So I think we had a good lesson today. I am happy that each one of you repeated the new sentences and new words also with me. And now you will also learn that rhyme which we said Puti Gatsa Giliye. So it is it's very funny. And each one of you can actually what you should do, you should video record it. I would love to see how you sing it first time with yourself. You read it and you will keep your paper in front of you and then read and record. That would be lovely. And next time when we have the class and later on you can and once we do it once again next week, then you can share with me your videos. You can see what we did in the first time and then when you do after couple of times and how was the change, which words you pronounce better. Okay. Okay, I am done from my side. Anybody has any questions, then I can answer them. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Kanishya क्या प्रश्न?
No, sir.
Hakoi चीज important. Classuk time chun mushravan के. We cannot forget the class timing. Shravan.
Anna.
Good. So, anything else? Varun, something you want to ask? Anything?
No, thank you.
Prajakta ji, Mukta ji, Elvin,
No,
anything?
No, sir.
Anybody? Apurva ji, आपको कुछ पूछना है?
Yeah, I just have a quick question actually.
Yeah, sure.
You know when you agree with someone older than you, so you say Anamara.
Ahanmara, yes.
Yeah.
Ahanmara.
Can you say Ansamara? Or is that different?
What is it?
Ansamara? Like with the...
No.
Okay, it's just Anamara.
Ahanmara or Amara.
Okay.
Ahan Mara is the right word actually. Ahan Mara. Not,
An.
if it is elderly, अगर छोटा होगा तो आतिशवना
हाँ.
तो हाँ मारा आ खाली बोल दिया तो भी ठीक है, बट वैसे चवना आहान मारा. That is the correct way is to say speak is ahan mara.
An. Okay.
So with respect also, and actually I would suggest all of you, मैं जानबूझ के आपको जो लिखा है लेसन में उसके साथ साथ मैं दूसरा भी वर्जन बताता हूँ for elders. This is very important that actually when you develop that etiquette to speak with respect to everybody, so वो हमारे लिए अच्छा रहता है from our cultural point of view. So we learn the words how we speak to others with respect. Whether if you start trying that with the juniors also, doesn't matter. Okay, but then yes, there is a buddy system when you are younger, so you can use some words which are not as formal, but yes, I think that would be great. Anything else, Aparvaji?
No, not for now. Thanks.
Okay, then can we leave now? Say bye bye to each other. Namaskar.
नमस्कार मारा.
Namaskar. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Namaskar. Bye.
Thank you.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Mara. Bye.
Namaskar. 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 God bless you. Orzu.